Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make gorditas de leche. Yeah. So you're going to need flour, milk, oil, lechera, baking powder, and vanilla. And lechera is going to be sweet condensed milk. So, and an egg. So let's get to it. So you're gonna need a 1/4 cup of oil. A 1/4 cup of milk.
Are those pancakes?
They will look like pancakes. Hopefully they taste like pancakes. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You're gonna get half of the lechera. Blend it in. An egg. And now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Blend. Blending. Blending. And now we're gonna do between 2 to 2.5 cups of flour.
Bianca, why are you doing it with your hand?
It feels gooey.
Feels gooey. Are you playing with Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Did you ever eat Play-Doh?
No.
Do you want to eat Play-Doh?
No. My dad does.
Your daddy eats Play-Doh?
He wants to eat. That's like one of the things he's always wanted to do.
You're okay sharing the fact that your dad wants to eat Play-Doh with the internet?
If there was eatable Play-Doh, I would buy it for him. So if you know about eatable Play-Doh, let me know.
What is the consistency supposed to be?
I think it'll be like sticky, oily Play-Doh.
And why do you keep adding more?
Because it's still very sticky. And it should not be. It's kind of like if you're making tortillas de harina.
What, they don't know how to make tortillas de harina?
Yeah. Play-Doh.
Okay.
Consistency.
Are you almost done?
Yep.
Is the consistency good with what you got in your hands?
Yeah. So it's kind of like Play-Doh. And you could see a little oily.
What are you doing now?
I'm making little balls to make the gordita.
Okay. How big do they have to be?
I think you can make them as big as you want them. I'm just getting a fistful of the dough. Just make the little balls. You roll it out. You put it on the stove. I've had it pretty hot for a while, so I'm just gonna put it on low.
Hey Bianca, how long do they have to be in the pan for?
You're gonna have to kind of check the bottom side. Once you start seeing it get a little golden, then you flip it, and the same thing on the other side. And then you'll know they're ready. And those are your gorditas. Enjoy.